Keeping your kids safe on Halloween is more than just the candy in their bucket. UAB wants to make sure that your kids have a fun and safe Halloween. Ariana Willoughby explains.
Do you have plans to hang out with your friends and family for Halloween? Well, doctors at UAB want you to remember social distancing too.
The biggest difference from last year to this year, of course, are the vaccines for COVID-19. So that really has changed what we're able to do, the fun things that we can now do.
Right now in Alabama, COVID numbers aren't as high as they were a month ago, but that still doesn't mean it's time to break out the large gatherings.
We're watching our numbers come down in terms of cases. That also is really helping us to expand our horizons and do a couple of fun things that we maybe couldn't do last year.
And even if it gets a little chilly, the safest thing to do will be to stay outdoors.
The best thing about trick-or-treating is that it's outside. This is going to provide the most safety because more adults and even some adolescents are vaccinated. That's going to make it safer for us as well.
And if you're giving out candy to trick-or-treaters this year,
if you can do individually wrapped goodies, maybe set outside, either on the porch or in the driveway. But if you choose to still have trick-or-treaters approach the house, then we would say, make sure that the adults wearing masks and hopefully children will also be wearing masks.
COVID isn't the only thing that doctors recommend being vaccinated for. If you can, they want you to get a flu shot too.
Not only being vaccinated for COVID, but also for the flu. So I would encourage those as soon as you can. Like you mentioned, masks are also important. I think outside, if you're able to keep your distance, you don't always have to have that mask on. But when you're traveling in groups, we still do recommend that.
To find more tips on how to stay safe during Halloween, visit our website, fox54.com. In Huntsville, Ariana Willoughby, Fox 54 News.